What's up, you guys? It's your boy 2Visual and welcome back to my channel. And for today, we're going to do a sneaker photography video. Basically, I'll be photo shooting sneakers and hopefully give you guys some ideas on how to create more visuals with your shoes and whatnot. But what's the point of this video without sneakers? And our guest for today's video will be
Ethan, also known as Nike Boy Ethan.
Yeah, he only wears straight Nike, so.
Yes sir, Team Nike.
Alright you guys, as you can see, I put all the sneakers in here. I know it's gonna be a long trip.
And for today's video, I will be using my iPhone to take pictures.
Bruh.
Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. Actually, I'm gonna be using my Canon 90D with the nifty 50. Without further ado, let's go. Alright you guys, we're in downtown as you can see. There's plenty of spots for these type of photo shoots that we're doing today, and these skyscrapers are like natural lighting that we use for color manipulation. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so for our first shoot, we're going to be shooting one of the most common visual for sneakers on your feet. But first, we need to find a location. Alright, right here, it's a very good location. Pretty good lighting. You could make your shoes pop as long as whatever you're wearing. I got Ethan to wear the Travis SBs. Yeah, alright bro, I'm gonna need you to go over there and just sit down. Sit right there. So we just finished wrapping up this location. On to the next. Alright you guys, we're at the next location, which is this nice blue wall right here. And for the second sneaker idea, not many people use this idea. Okay, so all you need to do is have your subject hold a bunch of shoes together, as you can see right here, and have like a nice little background for your, sneaker balloon. Are you ready? Make sure they bent their arm too, so it looks like you're holding a balloon. As you can see right here, this is our photo, right? When you flip upside down and crop it out, it look like a balloon. And there's your sneaker balloon idea. Next location. Alright you guys, so we just snuck past security. As you can see, this man is breathing hard.
Bro, that was crazy.
But anyways, like I said, this is our next location. I decided to pick a rooftop because so this idea right here is pretty simple. Just have your subject stick his sneaker out and then we'll focus with the camera, and that's pretty much it. You're basically getting the simple photo of somebody sticking their foot out. This is very dangerous, don't try it at home. We're good. Alright you guys, for the last segment, we're just gonna take a sneaker levitating photo. Have your subject throw the sneaker up in mid-air and turn up your shutter speed. That's how you snap it. Ready? Alright you guys, that wraps up pretty much what we're doing for today. If you have any suggestion or like opinions, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah. And that wraps up pretty much of our video today. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think because I need to know your opinion. Feel free to let me know, critique me, is there anything I did wrong or what I should do. It's always good to hear like feedback and critique from viewers like you guys. So I hope you guys take the ideas, incorporate into your own craft, because I was pretty much inspired by photographers and sneakerheads. They've been doing this for the longest. I just wanted to show you guys what I see through my vision and on the media. So yeah, till next time.